Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 14 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at seasons and weather. We have divided the lesson into 3 sets, and they are grouped based on the most commonly used words to the least commonly used words, which would be higher up on the vocabulary scale. You can choose to stop at any set according to the level of expertise you are looking for. Let's start off with the easy set and most commonly used vocabulary set. Weather.
Le temps,
Season.
la saison,
Spring.
le printemps,
Summer.
l'été,
Autumn/fall.
l'automne,
Winter.
l'hiver,
Temperature.
la température,
Forecast.
les prévisions,
Sunny.
ensoleillé,
Rainy.
pluvieux,
Cloudy.
nuageux,
Windy.
venteux,
Stormy.
orageux.
That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Hot.
chaud,
Warm.
tiède,
Cool.
frais,
Cold.
froid,
Humid.
humide,
Dry.
sec,
Clear.
dégagé,
Overcast.
couvert,
Thunderstorm.
l'orage,
Lightning.
l'éclair,
Thunder.
le tonnerre,
Then. La pluie. Drizzle. La bruine. Shower.
l'averse,
Snow.
la neige,
Sleet.
la neige fondue,
Hail. La grêle. Frost.
le gel,
Ice.
la glace,
Blizzard.
la tempête de neige,
Hurricane.
l'ouragan,
Tornado.
la tornade,
Breeze. La brise. Gust. La rafale. Dew. La rosée. Mist. La brume. Haze. La brume légère. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the final set. Heat wave. La vague de chaleur. Cold front.
le front froid,
Warm front.
le front chaud,
High pressure.
la haute pression,
Low pressure.
la basse pression,
Barometer.
Le baromètre.
Thermometer.
Le thermomètre.
Hygrometer.
L'hygromètre.
Anemometer.
L'anémomètre.
Wind chill.
Le refroidissement éolien.
UV index.
L'indice UV.
Sunrise.
Le lever du soleil.
Sunset.
Le coucher du soleil.
Moon.
La lune.
Stars.
Les étoiles.
Rainbow.
L'arc-en-ciel.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. You can be proud of it.